In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your Canva mobile app. So if you want to use the latest version of Canva app, all you need to do is to go ahead and update the app to the latest version. By updating your Canva app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app, and also you'll be able to fix most of the errors or bugs that are associated with the older version of Canva app. Now, to do it, it is quite simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, to achieve this, you might need to use your phone. If you are using an iPhone, then you need to access App Store. For my case, I'm using an Android smartphone, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for my Play Store, and my Play Store is here. So just go ahead and tap on Play Store. And from this, go ahead and tap on Search. Now, here search for the app. And then you can see we have Canva here. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you can see we have two options here, uninstall and open. If you see it written here open, then it means you already have the latest version of Canva and you don't have to update it. However, if you see it written update, then it means you have to update for you to get the latest version of Canva app. Go ahead and tap on update. And then this will go ahead and download the latest version of Canva and install it on your smartphone. Once it is installed, now you can proceed by tapping on open, and then this will take you to the app. So for my case, I'll not be able to update because I already have the latest version of Canva. From here, I can just proceed and open the app. And also if I go to my apps, I'll be able to see my app just like this. And here is my app. So that's how you update your Canva app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.